Line to my factory. Um, Today I want to build equipment piece like this, but from this piece of steel for those kind of blades. This blade is too large to I can set it over here and grind, and I must make new equipment piece for this blade. In my oldest videos you can see how I build this, but today I made new one from this, and I hope I make a few more videos how I built equipment for these blades grinding. Yeah, you will say to I can put this blade over here, but we can see that the blade is over end, and when green then the end bends or flexible, and and it makes bad surface, So, and for this piece I will use a clamps from this. And not to make the new clamps, I will use clamps that I already have. I'll just make something like that, but just larger. So, and I will use my 6012 vertical milling machine, and later my surface grinder. So